1, 2, 3. There's a lovely Yukon lady and she's begging me to stay. I told her that I loved her, but I got to go away. The fleeting blue eyes dry up and they turn to steely gray. She tell me that before I go, she'll see me to my grave. There's a lovely Yukon lady with her hair ablaze and shine, who danced with the devil's ways and caught the eyes of mine. She eats that chicken from the bone, she'll kill some afternoon. And if the clouds do part the way, she's howling at the moon. Oh, Yukon girl. Oh, yeah, from a different world. There's a lovely Yukon lady and she's 20 strides away. I told her that I loved her, but I made a big mistake. The knife she carries in her hand gleams in the morning sun. And if she catches up with me, I know my days are done.